Cultivating Kind Cultures. What is the future we want to build? One where we're driven by fear, anxiety, and division? Or one where we feel connected, creative, and inspired to create the breakthrough solutions our world needs now? Once upon a time, survival was helped by being bigger, stronger, and faster. Physical strength, brute force, and the ability to gather and hoard resources helped determine who had and could hold on to power. Today, those survival instincts just fuel fear. And whether they're triggered by social or physical threats, that feeling still sends us into survival mode, activating the oldest parts of our brain. While that's helpful for running, fighting, or hiding, it's terrible for connecting with others or accessing the creativity necessary to solve complicated problems. This is why the first principle of the KOAN method is to build cultures of kindness. To create the conditions that foster breakthrough thinking, we've got to remember that we're human first and always. Creating kind cultures is not just about being nice, though. It's about fostering environments that favor flourishing over fear. It's about creating the conditions for creativity that can unleash the kind of imagination necessary to solve any problem. It's about creating policies that are overtly, intentionally, and unapologetically heart-centered. When people feel seen, respected, and trusted, they do great work. Today, more and more organizations are recognizing that truly high performance comes from inspiration, not manipulation. By building containers of care, we can move beyond the wounds of the past and heal systems. Cultivating kind cultures helps us create the conditions we need to move beyond the divisions that keep things broken, to discover truly breakthrough solutions. I hope that you'll choose to explore the KOAN method alongside me. My book will be available soon, and you can start to put its principles into practice right away. There's never been a better time. Let's do this.